Hi.
Hi.
I'm Constance, your neighbor from next door, and this is my girl, Adelaide.
Hello.
Go home, Addie, now.
I feel like I'm going crazy. I feel like I'm going to break into a million pieces. He's cheating. I can tell.
How?
He's weird. He's gotten weird.
Weird how?
Weird. About money, about the renovations, weird about having a baby. I'm not sure he even wants one anymore.
What are you going to hold over my head when the bank comes and takes this place away from us? You don't think I read our bills? Our statements?
Did you lose your baby?
Yes. Yes.
I lost mine too. It was never born. It's in the backyard with the rest of it.
Police say there was no evidence of anyone.
I know what the police said.
They don't even think they're in California. There was a report of a similar home invasion in Wisconsin.
They were 6 inches from my face.
Talk to Mrs. Harmon.
We've got this under control.
So did he tell you that he doesn't currently reside here? That they're separated? He did tell you that, didn't he?
Son of a bitch.
Did he also tell you that he has a mistress with a criminal record? He told you that too, right?
I'm a licensed psychiatrist. I know a psychotic break when I see one. My wife is a danger to herself and to others.
So you want to ship her off to the loony bin so you get the house, the kids, the mistress, and the dog.
Haven't you read The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman?
No.
I wanted to take the image of you with me into my captivity.
Well, take a good look. It's the last time you're ever going to see me.
I know. They're sending me out of state to serve my sentence.
In 1590, on the coast of what we now know as North Carolina, the entire colony of Roanoke, all 117 men, women, and children,